in earlier times, we didn't have these aggregators, so people were used to ordering directly from the restaurants, and home delivery was something which was very, very common, especially cities like Delhi NCR.
Hello and welcome to Travel Dine. We are joined today by Mr. Vishal Anand, the founder of Moonshine Food Ventures. He's a brand owner of Saints and Sinners, Saga, Glasshouse, and Cafe Stable. Welcome, Mr. Anand.
Hi, Smita. Thank you for having me over.
Mr. Anand, I would like to start with the question on home deliveries and how they've become a mainstay for most restaurants at the moment. What sort of role is home delivery playing in shoring up restaurants and helping them cope with the pandemic-induced disruptions? You could just give us your views on that, please.
So, Smita, just giving you a brief on as our own brands, what are we doing? We are not essentially a delivery centric restaurant, or we don't have a delivery centric outlets. So it's more purely dine-in, and delivery was an aspect which was added during the pandemic. And during the pandemic, we saw higher numbers coming in for deliveries. But however, post lockdown, deliveries from our restaurants have certainly taken a backseat because the entire focus is more on dine-in. However, going forward, post pandemic, I think the consumer preferences have changed a lot, and delivery is one of the aspects that is going to be here for long term. And I see consumer preferences changing. People are ordering more and more, and the market is poised to grow further.
Thank you. So there have been continuing conversations about the need to order directly from restaurants, and what are the conflicts that restaurants have to deal with delivery platforms, please?
I have been one of the first ones to be a part of the Order Direct campaign, and we've always encouraged our guests, our consumers, to order directly. First of all, till the time in earlier times, we didn't have these aggregators, so people were used to ordering directly from the restaurants, and home delivery was something which was very, very common, especially cities like Delhi NCR. So it's been there for the last 20 years. I mean, we've been we've been receiving food at home for more than 20, 25 years. It's always been there, even with or without aggregators. But of late, the challenges that we face with the aggregators is, apart from the higher commissions, we are not also getting the database. So that is the most important aspect of any business. We should own our customers and not the aggregator. So that is something that's the reason we have not signed up with any of the aggregators, and we are encouraging direct orders. And currently we are using another platform which helps us in deliveries, but the client base is completely ours.
Why is it important for customers to order straight from restaurants? And what does it mean for bottom lines and survival of restaurants?
So definitely, the higher commissions that the delivery aggregators are charging is not viable. That's the first point. Second, as I said earlier, we need to own our customers. That's most important. We need to understand their preferences. We need to be accountable for what we are delivering. Currently, what I see is there is a platform, especially with an aggregator, if you're ordering through an aggregator, the communication is not between the restaurant and the guest, or the person who's ordering. The communication is between the aggregator and the guest, and the aggregator would not really know each and every aspect of that particular menu or that particular restaurant's menu. So it's important for the delivery outlets to own and be accountable for our own customers. That's the most important factor. Obviously, the higher commissions are here, really hampering the bottom line. And these kind of commissions which the aggregators are charging here in India, it's not viable for the business. Hence, we've not tied up with any of the aggregators, nor do we intend to tie up with any of the aggregators.
We have launched our own Straight from Restaurants campaign. Could you say a few words for our readers and social media followers on this campaign, please?
Yes, it's it's a fantastic campaign to be taken up, because as restaurateurs, we've been focusing on this. We've been, there's been a video as well done in the past on ordering directly, and we've been promoting that video as well. So as restaurant owners, we definitely would want more and more people to order directly, and any campaign related to this would really help us and would really encourage guests to order directly.
Thank you, Mr. Anand. Thanks a lot for speaking with us today. Thank you.
Thank you.